Hey, hi guys, and today we will try to export this standard Unity Blender rig into Unity. So what will happen when we'll try to export this into Unity? Right now it's in generic type, it's gonna be all okay, but if we try to switch into humanoid type, we will have some problem, these errors, and if we even going to configure, we will see this as kind of errors. So if I try to go to depots, it helps but not much. So what we'll see right now, we'll see some bones are missing, head bone absent at all. So then we see the breastbones completely separate from our spine. So let's try to fix this error. In Blender we see our standard rig. I already generate the stuff from this armature. So what we should to do? First of all, we need to go to this layer. To this layer, and we need go to edit mode, and we will see we see that our bones are separate from our spine. This chest bones separate from spine. We need to go to the bone and to see what parent we have. This parent is incorrect for our case. We should change it. So we should parent this bone to the spine. So we type spine, and we need spine 003. Okay, this bone and this bone, of course, spine parent 00, of course def spine 003, and of course shoulder is separate from the spine also. So we just need do the same, spine 003 and spine def spine 003. Okay, and this bone is also need to be parent to this bone. So we should type shoulder def shoulder left, and this bone to def shoulder right. The same with the legs. Should parent it to the def spine. Okay, def, just type spine, def spine, this bone to def spine also. Just type spine, and these bones also should be parent to spine. This bone to spine. And that's it. We have to prepare our standard Blender rig to export to Unity. So select all our objects to export, file, export FBX. Of course, we need in our main selected objects all FBX, armature and mesh, experimental transform all of bx, we don't have any animation, so let's export. Okay, go to Unity, and we have our new rig. Generic all okay, and if we go to humanoid, it's gonna be okay, also okay. You see any no errors at all? Go to configuration, and we'll see all bones are present. So we need just, of course, you can delete these bones. Just lazy to delete these bones, and it doesn't matter. So we can see all our bones on their places, and all bones and shoulders and other bones are parented to our spine. So okay, let's go to muscles and try to do something. Like you see, all okay, you can use it. And if you want to just download this rig, I'll leave the link in the description to my Google Drive, and you can download it. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.